lot of wave against the BJP. Why? Because they have destroyed the. Now it is for us unitedly to fight against the BJP. So we are here to unite the people. We are not here to divide the people. आमकां युनिटी केलो जाय BJP को करपाक. आनी एक गोट मदीं दरे ही पार्टी लोकां जाय हे BJP उडयल्ली. आतां आमगे काम आम करताय. आम युनायटेड आहे. We are all united. We want to fight the BJP. You think the BJP doesn't have infighting?
No, but
you think so?
The infighting between the Congress is very visible, sir.
Yeah, we will all. I just told you, all the people we will unite. It is in our hands to unite other people, and everybody should know we are fighting a common enemy. So I think in that respect we will fight together and we will defeat the BJP.
I'm infighting kind. I'm Congress loyalist 25 years. Kalpur infighting tenka and Kalpur ek mohine or 2 mohine that thing loyalist monopaz nahi. So I have nothing to comment on them because my term with Congress for the more than 25 years says it all. Con loyalist and con no. And I'm infighting kind. Let High Command decide and give whoever is the best candidate.
Marian Bab, last time you were given only 1 month's period when the ticket was given to you. At the effort to तयारी केल्या.
तयार आम्ही फुल चालू हा उरलो सर आन्सर करतलो हे टायमार केदो डिक्लेअर जाता तो टिकेट whatever party gives is acceptable to us.
You are all prepared.
We are prepared. No जागा crowd so far no तो I am 2 जाणा व 3 जाणा इन प्रेस की हम कितु जाणा है केते.
This time we have given a very good representation to the people and we have told them you come united. So आमी जेन्ना भोंवता तेन्ना 40 बुथ्सांनी आमकां एकूच आवाज येता की लॉयल काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट आहा तेका तुमी टिकेट दिवची जाका विनेबिलिटी आसा आनी जो काँग्रेसान पयलोसान आशिल्लो. सो आयज आमकां काँग्रेस तरी जिखयतली जाल्यार कॅन्डिडेट शूड बी अ रायट कॅन्डिडेट जो काँग्रेस जिखोवपाकूय शकता आनी लोकांक एकठांय करूं शकता. आनी आमचें वोटींग आतां हे फावटी चड वाडलां 30,000. So you just can't win by 4,000, 3,000, 2,000 votes. ते काँग्रेस तुका एकठांय जाला. कुट्टाडेचो आमचो कॅन्डिडेट मारियानो रॉड्रिगीस जो हांगा नॉर्थान सोत्रान रावता हे एरियांनी हिंगा तो जल्मला आनी मागीर तेणें आपलें आख्खें जिवीत तेगेलें जुवारी नगर ह्या भुरग्यां बारा तेणें सारलां. सो हे पाटी आमकां 300% कॉन्फिडन्स की मारियान काँग्रेस टिकेट दिली जाल्यार जिखता आनी बऱ्या मतांनी जिखता हें आमी म्हणना लोक म्हणटा आनी आमचे जे बोसपाचे आसा दुसरे पार्टीचे तेणी पासून म्हटलां मारियान टिकेट दिवप म्हणल्यार तुमचे 10,000 वयर तो वोट काडटा. दीस मे बी अ स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट बट आय रिप्रेजेंट द वॉयस ऑफ द पीपल बिकॉज वी रोम अराउंड ऑल द 40 बुथ्स.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कॅन्डिडेट कोण तो. ओके यू ऑल गो विथ द क्राउड. आस्क द क्राउड हू दे वॉन्ट. Don't go for someone who is just come in demanding the ticket. See who is experienced, who is loyal to the party for last 20 years. Okay, so that's it. You all know whenever our candidate stands, the crowd behind him. You know that. So go with the crowd. Don't go by my words. Go with the crowd. Go with the people. Go with the masses. So